Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Google Chrome web browser is not loading or maximizing into full screen mode. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. Open up Google Chrome. You just need to press in keyboard F11 to enter full screen mode and press again F11 to exit full screen mode guys. And you can also try resetting. Click on this three dot icon and select settings. On left side, you just need to scroll down and select reset settings. Click on restore settings to their original defaults. This will disable extensions, reset some Chrome settings, Chrome shortcuts, delete cookies and other temporary site data guys. Click on reset and reset it. And now close the Chrome and relaunch it guys and check your problem solved or not. If you still having problem, then restart your PC guys. Sometimes simply restart can fix the problem. Go ahead and restart your PC. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.